Well, Surgeon Dr. Imran Ghani is there, and today I am here to demonstrate a high energy advanced device which is known as the harmonic. Basically, it is using this is the harmonic. Its the company is Olympic, and it is using the high energy ultrasonic waves for cutting and the coagulating purpose. And this is the basically generator. First of all, we will plug it into the electrical switch. After that, this is the basically transducer. Most commonly it has got the piezoelectric crystals. The quality of the piezoelectric crystals is that they vibrate when they get the electrical energy. So basically this is also used in the ultrasound machines, and you can put there like this. Just focus here. How will you apply this? You will see this, and there will be the arrow, red arrow, and there will be also red arrow here on your machine, on your instrument, and just very gently it will make the voice, and this is has been set. After that you will remove the cup of this port. After that, just focus here. Here also red spot is there. If you are able to focus this red spot, you will take that red spot and just come closer to me and show that red spot is also at the generator. And finally at the end, you will just very gently you will put it here. After that, you will turn on the machine. After that, you will turn on the machine, and it will do some checking, and it will show some variations, and the different you can say indicators are there on the machine. Well, we come to the instrument. How will you hold the instrument? You will hold the instrument like this. You will use your index finger to rotate the instrument. Exactly, if you are able to show this, I am able to rotate this with the help of my index finger. At the end, just focus here. You will be seeing that its one prong is moving, other is not moving. So the active prong is what which is not moving. Basically it's the vibrating prong, and the other prong which you are seeing here, basically it's used to anchor the tissue into the field where you want to work. Exactly, you have learned something from this instrument. At this point I must tell you that it is the instrument, it only coagulates when it cuts. It is not able to cut alone, it is not able to coagulate alone, and this is the limitation of this instrument basically. And it has got only two modes. One is the high energy mode, other is the low energy mode. In the higher energy mode, maximum figure is 5, there it means 55,000 hertz it will vibrate. But in the minimum energy mode, you can change from 1 2 3 4. 1 means 15,000, 2 mean 25,000, 3 mean 35,000, and 4 mean 45,000 hertz frequency will be there. So it is very safe instrument. There will be no burning of the tissue like in other electrical devices, because it's the just ultrasonic waves are there. And finally at the end, you will gently remove this instrument like this. After that, you will remove the instrument like this, and you will turn off your switch, and you will also remove from the plug. And finally at the end, you must take care of this cable, because it contains the fibers, and if you mishandle it, it can damage. So finally at the end, thank you so much for making the video and for watching the video. So thank you so much.